Welcome to your YouTube channel, Dr. Amit Properties. Today we are in Karol Bagh. This market exists in Delhi. Now I will show you the different showrooms and shops available for sale. Let's start our journey in Karol Bagh. It's main road of Karol Bagh, Panna. Karol Bagh is a mixed-up market of different items, watches, clothes, shoes, purse, belt, so many shops. It's very rushy market. You can see different shops. This is a shoes shops in Karol Bagh. We have showrooms, shops, offices for rent and sale purchase purpose. You can contact our firm. Our firm is Dr. Amit Properties. Our number is 9818128192. You can see the Bata showroom. Kamal, Karol Bagh, Royal Jewelers. White House shop, juice and all. We are on the main road. It's Karol Bagh. It's Burger Club. Canterville, Cobb. Different showrooms are there. Yuvraj, Fashion Floor, Karol Bagh, Delhi. Very rushy market. Good opportunities for businessmen to invest in their shops. It's Burger King, below Canara Bank. La Miliardo. Raymond Suits, Gujarats. Octave, very rushy market. MACD. So you will get everything from food to clothing and Woodland showroom. Whole garments. Angelica food brand. Sanjay Textiles. Actually, Karol Bagh is a very big market. Meena Bazaar, Jaggi Tie Store. It's a pantaloons showroom. Go Colors. Sorry. Crocs for shoes and all. We are in Karol Bagh, Delhi. Ahuja Sons. Kins. Basically, Kins is a ladies sandals and all. Actually, very big market. Suits, bags, VIP long, Canterville.
वही साइज है, ये वाला वही साइज है।
Everything is available. Every product is available. It's very old market of Delhi.
1100 रुपये लग जाएगा।
I am just showing you the very little part of this market because it's not possible to show you the whole market because this market is very huge. Angelica, it's a pastry shop. Benson. Tesla clothing. Gujral Sons.
ये ब्रांडेड है।
If you want to have shop here or showroom, contact us. Our number is 9818 128192. We will assist you to have your shop or office or showroom in Karol Bagh, Delhi.
पैसे की बात नहीं है। आओ कचौड़ा के बारे में। कहीं ना कहीं लगा दिया, कहीं ना कहीं लगा दिया।
Coke. Different types of showrooms are available. Now we are at Burger King. Sorry, Burger Club. It's famous for burger.
मैं रोज नहीं खाना।
Ajmal Khan Road, Karol Bagh. SG Shoes. Karol Bagh is also famous for Gaffar Market. We are again at Bata showroom. Trimurti Shoe Mall, wholesaler and retail of imported shoes, 47/92, Rani Jhansi Market, Ajmal Khan Road, Karol Bagh. It's a complete address of this area.
बस जितने गोल्ड
Local shops to showrooms. Very wide market.
क्या करना है मैं
Princess Cottage, Raymond DC Fashion. Now today we are shutting down our journey at Mehra Sons Jewelers, Karol Bagh. If you want that I will make the video in any other market where you wish to purchase the shop, then please comment in comment box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.